Okay, so today I wanted to discuss a new theme update. Dentistry is actually one of our best-selling themes, and I figured we'd make some modifications to make it easier to maintain. The biggest change we made was in the header. Um, in the original version, we created this header within the Divi page builder with modules. Of course, the problem with that is it's kind of a pain in the butt to maintain. So what we did was is we created some custom fields to output this tagline and these blurbs. And this is all controlled within the customizer now. So let me just go through it and let me actually install a theme and show you guys how to install a theme and how to change this tagline and the information on these blurbs. Yeah, this header is no longer within the Divi modules. It's actually the the regular menu, the global menu. So now if you create additional pages, this menu will display across the board without you having to duplicate the modules, etc., etc. So let's get started. I have a brand new install here. So let's go to, let's add the child theme. Where is it? Excuse my dogs there, I think they're about to bark. Dentistry. Let's activate the theme. Now with all our themes, we also added a one-click import option. So with each theme that you purchase through us, once you activate the theme, you're gonna notice a new admin settings label appear. Usually this name is always going to coincide with the theme itself. So if you click it, it's going to take you to a settings page with just some basic information. And yeah, you could just easily click import. Awesome, the theme has successfully imported. Now let's go to our pages, and there it is. It's automatically gonna assign it as your home page, so let's view it. Okay, so here it is. It looks like it imported all the assets successfully, so that's good. The menu. Okay, now what I really wanted to show you is how to change this tagline and these blurbs, because this top header is Divi's normal top header. I didn't change that. This is a custom one that we injected in between the main one as well. So let's go to our customizer, and you're gonna see a new settings tab or panel. If you click it, here are the three new input fields. So the first one is the top header tagline, and 32 parts plus 1, let's just say. Let's hit publish, and you can see it changed it. Same thing with the blurbs. Location, or we can say, I don't know, store location, say. There it is. Same thing with the address. You could add, I don't know, let's say Florida, and so on and so forth. So if you go back and then blurb 2, same thing. You could change your number and you could change the subtitle. You hit publish. Let's look at the front end. Let's hit refresh. And there it is. Okay. Well, we didn't change this, but obviously you could see we changed the Florida and we changed the title. Now these icons are Divi's native icons, so that's something that's controlled with the Divi, within the Divi settings. So whatever icons are available there, those are the ones that you could use. For now, let's just disengage this one, just so you could prove to you that it's using Divi's native settings. This button is a menu button. So if we go to our menu, select the top menu, you're gonna see that's just the menu, but it does have a class. So just make a note of that. I mean, it's gonna come installed with a theme. You really don't have to touch it. And everything is nice and organized. If you go to your child theme, this is all the CSS that applies to this theme. And then the functions are here. And some JavaScript. Now the JavaScript is for the pop-up contact form. So that's that. And then this menu, again, this is just your primary menu. If you go to menus and you select main menu, here it is. Again, this is going to install with this already configured. These are just, they're going to anchor to their respective places. And well, you would in the version you're gonna get, I forgot, but I have to add the anchors to each respective location. But basically, it's gonna be all set for you. In addition to that, we made some tweaks to the design. We made it a little bit more cleaner. We removed a lot of the code that was within the Divi page, and we, organized it in that CSS file that you're seeing. Oh, one more thing I wanna let you guys know that's pretty cool. CSS has these new variables. So it's basically, this is saying that everything that has a variable called dd primary is gonna have this color, which basically it's the blue that you see here, and then the secondary color is the green. So anything that we targeted, like for example, this line is generated via CSS. This button. So anything that I targeted via CSS, I used the variable. And if you, obviously you would want to customize this to your own branding, you come here and you just change the hex color and it'll change it across the board. So just as a quick example, let's just say red. Let's update. Let's go to the page. Let's update here. And let's see what changed. So it's not going to change everything because a lot of these settings can be changed within the Divi builder, but the things that I could not target, they're going to change here. So just make a little note of that as well. Again, and then this is just anything that has that green button. Alright, and I think this concludes this quick tutorial. I hope you enjoy the theme, as we worked really hard to make it easier for you guys to import and customize. If you have any questions, you can visit my site at Divi, let's see if I get it right, dividesigns.com. Hit contact and shoot me a message. Alright guys, thanks, and talk to you later. Bye.